Welcome to my channel. I'm Julie Nicole here, and I'm here with all your DIY and thrifting needs. I just said that, but I'm completely lying because today I'm doing something totally different. Oh, this is gonna be a long day. I have just finished binge watching Nailed It on Netflix, and basically these contestants go at it and they try to recreate these really extravagant cakes in a short time period. I'm going to be doing the same thing, but since I'm not going to time myself, I'm going to take my good old time. I decided to do it a little tipsy, so it's Tipsy Nailed It. So we're going to get started. I can tell it's going to be a really long shoot because I'm already feeling it, and it's pretty sad. So with that, let's start. We'll see how many times I move this today. Adjustment number 3. Medium speed, or beat vigorously by hand for 2 minutes. That seems hard, so we're just gonna put it on the mixer. I don't know if I can take you with me. Oh, you are heavy. This seems good enough. You know? Stop picking it up, it's so heavy. Even though my oven's ready. This seems more important. Ham on the floor and I'm whipping it into my floor with my foot because I don't feel like cleaning it. Probably not the best idea. I wonder how many people actually get salmonella from this. I shouldn't have thought about that because it's like law of attraction. So is it gonna happen to me now? Maybe. I don't think I washed my hands after giving my cat food. Should I be worried? I mean, if cat food's like edible for cats, it has to be edible for humans, right? So even if it's like residual cat food, I think it should be fine. And plus, if it's like residual cat food mixed in like my fingers eating this like batter now, it's really good batter. So it means if I eat the cake without cat food on my fingers, it's gonna be even better, right? Like that logic? I do. Which is a very amateur move on these shows. All these people ice their cakes. My hand is so sticky. All these people ice their cakes before their cake is cooled. And then, even like Cupcake Wars, they do the same thing, which is weird because they're actually bakers, but they ice their cakes too early and then their icing slides off. Amateurs. I'm gonna wait extra long because I'm a professional. Maybe position number, I don't know, 7.5. I don't like it, and my hands, ew. All I know is not to ice your cake when it's hot. And I feel like that's all you need to know. And what you learn when you age is your mom's always right. That's when you know. Funfetti icing. Was it funfetti or was it just chocolate? Or was it vanilla? Some sort of icing. And Teddy Grahams in the icing. It's fantastic. You can't see my bun. Water, propylene, Lysol, blue one, and red 40. It's the red 40, guys. It's what's making it not very blue. And I'm not mad, but I'm disappointed. And now that I'm thinking about it, these aren't compatible with this piping bag. I'm gonna be livid. So mad. Oh my frick. It doesn't fit. No. Are you kidding me? There's blue dye all over my floor. Her. These are purple. So is my face. Don't let the perfect get in the way of the good. Now we have yet to see if this is the good, but we know it's not perfect, so we're not gonna let it get into the way. Filmed so much and you guys didn't see. We had a good time. We finished the one I needed to finish. And honestly, I'm so mad. I just filmed like 30 minutes and I didn't really film it. But my bun's intact. Personally, I think job well done. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, and I think this video really proved that. I just had like 2-3 pieces of cake and I'm ready for bed. My teeth are blue. I don't want to clean up. I think I'm gonna take a nap, even though I already took a nap today. Okay. My cat's on my lap. And I just want to lounge. I just really want to lounge. So, good night. Sleep tight. PSA. Eat before you drink. You know. Or else you're gonna sleep the rest of the day. Good night. Bye. Thanks for coming.